Let's cook. For today's video, I will cook adobo chicken flakes. Ayan, nahimay-himay na ng aking bunso ang manok na aking adobo flakes because this is her favorite. So now, let's start. I'm starting with putting some cooking oil for gisa-gisa, the sibuyas, and the bawang. Let's wait for the oil in heating. Ayan, dahil mainit na ang kawali at ang mantika, ito yung ating bawang at sibuyas na igisa. Let's get it on. Ayan, kitang-kita nyo naman, di ba? Yung bawang. Ayan, let's gisa-gisa na the bawang until it's golden brown. Bango-bango. Naaamoy ko na ang aroma ng bawang. So bango-bango. And then, let's put the onion or the sibuyas in Tagalog. Ito ang nagpayak sa akin kanina. Ang sibuyas. At kaya nakakayak ang sibuyas? Ano? Pag inihiwa. And then, let's halo-halo this. Imekos-mekos natin yan. When the sibuyas and bawang is already cooked, let's get it on. Let's put the chicken. Ayan, na hinimay-himay. Ganyan ang pagluluto ng adobo flakes. Yung iba ang tawag dito ay chicken pastil. But for me, this is adobo chicken flakes. And then, let's halo-halo.